What's up, guys? Ryan from I Teach Credit. As you know, this is my card. This is my dream. The only way to get to this card is by educating people like you on credit. Today, I want to talk about people who pay their bills either in full or on time, thinking that they're maximizing their credit. The problem is you might still not be maximizing all your points because of one other factor that could come into play, and that is your utilization factor. What do I mean by that? Let's just say, for example, your billing cycle is from the 1st to the 30th, and on the 15th of the month, you pay your bill on time. Now, whether you're making the minimum statement balance or the minimum payment that you're supposed to, or if you're paying the balance in full, which you should be doing, what happens is the 1st to the 30th is your billing cycle. On the 30th, though, that's when the snapshot may be taken. Check to see your reporting date. If on the 30th of the month, you're showing utilization of 50% or higher, your credit score could be getting walloped. Why? Because utilization accounts for 30% of your score. Even if you pay the bill in full on the 15th, you may be maxing out that card or at least a 30-50% utilization factor. Again, I'm always going to say, if somebody tells you 30% utilization is where you want to be, stop listening to that person. Number one, you don't, because when you hit 30%, you start to lose points on your credit score. Number two, you're probably carrying a balance, which means you're going to pay interest. And number three, you're definitely not maximizing your score. Your interest rates are going to be higher because your score is going to be a little bit lower. So please don't listen to those people. When it comes to your credit card statements, guys, what you want to remember is this. On the reporting date, which typically is the end of the billing cycle, they're going to take a snapshot. If your credit utilization factor is 10% or higher, you're losing points. 10% or higher, you are losing points. So make sure, if you have a lot of credit cards and a lot of credit limit or limits, that's good. If you have a couple credit cards with really high credit limits, that's good. But you still need to make sure that if you want to maximize your credit score, especially in the beginning, you want to have as low a utilization factor as possible. Even if you're paying in full and on time, you still want to have the lowest utilization possible so that it will continue to reflect the highest credit score for you. All right, I hope you guys found that helpful. If you have any questions, put them below. Send me a message. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to the channel, especially to YouTube, and share this with other people. If you learn something from this, chances are somebody else is going to be able to learn something as well. All right, hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll catch up with you in the next video.